Greetings, people, folks, and space aliens. I am here at Bertram. I decided to stop here, and it is like really dry. On my way home from Cuyuna, so that's why my tires are red. Because I was just at Cuyuna, and I'm feeling actually pretty good. I wish I would have stayed up there, but sometimes you just don't know. I know I'm actually pretty tired, so we're just gonna kick the jumps and stuff here. Camelback works pretty good with a full face. Or not doubles, tables. Yeah, not even close. Oh, not quite. Not quite clearing. I'm gonna have to do it again. The intimidation from it. That was a hard landing. It's not a very good feature right now. No, they said skipping it. I just gotta do this. Yeah, see. There's like almost no landing. So some guy said his friend broke his bone going off that. I'm like, okay. I mean, yeah. In the state that it's in right now, yeah. This is round 2 of awesome Huck Harbor. I think that's what this is called. Oh my gosh, I did that again. Sorry, I'm not trying to widen the trail. It's just, I'm tired. So these features look a little scary right now. I'm totally doing this. Do kickstart. I don't know. Yep. Whoa. I got a little bit off. Yeah, I'm just a little tired. All right, so this is where the fun starts. A little bit passing the first trail crossing after we get started on the first trail. Actually, this is where it starts, I think. There's kind of a jump back here, so we'll see if I can get that in my jump. Minnesota jump marathon. And then there's a new jump here that the locals who actually build these trails, I was just talking to them. I know, I should get some of this on my action cam. Oh well. Anyways, I'll go take a look at that. Because it looks like, I might be able to see that from the other direction. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. This is one of the first jumps I took on the pivot back in the day. Yeah, a little off the trail there, buddy. No, there isn't any jumps. Oh. I was thinking there's a wooden feature back there. I'm not real sure. Oh, yeah, this is fun. I forget about how fun this fun is funning. It's fun to be funning. Yeah, no real jumps. Well, maybe this one. No, it's a roller. This would be, no, it's a roller. It's not the defined edge that I would expect for a jump. It's actually pretty worn down in here. That one would probably be the best jump right there. You build that up. This one too. So that'd be a good place for jumps. This would be a good jump too. It's kind of stupid though. I mean, I'm not saying that to be mean. I'm just saying it's kind of, wow. So this is a rock gap. This is a rock gap. Oh, that's easy, but you have to get a lot of speed. Okay. Oh, yeah, can't quite launch off that. That felt a lot better though. I'm still casing that one. Now I have to get these. Oh yeah, piece of cake. I basically bumped it, but I cleared it, but I bumped it, so I did it. This is the end of my Bertram Lakes yearly visit. Well, I might come back up here in November. Whenever it is I have a meeting in St. Cloud, I might come back up here. I might do the whole loop that day. We'll see.